Ever felt lost in a sea of data, struggling to pinpoint what's the same and what's different between two Excel sheets? Today, we're diving deep into how to efficiently compare two Excel worksheets and uncover those crucial similarities and differences, making your data reconciliation a breeze. First, let's imagine you have two sheets, Sheet 1 and Sheet 2, containing similar data, perhaps product lists. We want to see which products exist in both. A powerful method is using the VLOOKUP function in your first sheet. Next to your data, in an empty column, we'll start our VLOOKUP. We tell Excel to look up the product ID in Sheet 1, then return a value from Sheet 2 if that product ID is found there. Make sure to select the entire range of data in Sheet 2 and lock it with $sign so it doesn't shift when you copy the formula down. A false at the end specifies an exact match. If you drag this formula down, you'll get the matching data for common products and, importantly, any errors indicate items that are not found in Sheet 2. Now, to visually highlight these differences, we can use conditional formatting. Select the column containing your VLOOKUP results in Sheet 1. We'll set up a rule to make cells with errors a distinct color, say, red. This immediately shows you the items that are unique to Sheet 1. You can do the reverse in Sheet 2 by looking up Sheet 1's data. For simpler comparisons, like checking if directly corresponding cells are identical, you can use basic formulas in a new column in Sheet 1. Type an if formula if the cell in Sheet 1 equals the corresponding cell in Sheet 2. Return match, otherwise return difference. Drag this down, and you instantly see where your data aligns or diverges. This is fantastic for verifying specific data points across your sheets. By combining VLOOKUP, conditional formatting, and simple comparison formulas, you can effortlessly identify commonalities and disparities. This empowers you to keep your data clean, accurate, and synchronized. So, go forth and reconcile your data with confidence.